What's up ladies, welcome or welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you watch me for the very first time, do not forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon. And today we are going to see this beautiful Ariana Grande aka Euphoria style, aka the cat eye look, or aka the graphic liner, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to create this beautiful eye look that you guys wanted to see. By the way, all of the links that I'm going to give you down below are going to be from Amazon, and there is a huge sale going on Amazon since 2nd of May, so do not forget to check that out. So for the moisturizer today, we are going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel, especially for summers, which is super duper lightweight. So after this, I am kind of skipping the sunscreen as of now because I am not going to step out, and I'm just going to wash off the makeup right after making this video. And the next step is going to be applying a foundation. I'm going to go in with this Mamaearth foundation, which is in the shade 05 Beige Glow. You can see how sheer this coverage is, but you can easily build it up, and ये बिल्कुल भी cakey नहीं लगता है. Even if you build it up, I have actually tried it out, but I absolutely love it. It's more like a liquidy sort of a style, and it's more like a dewy finish. I'm going to do the concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYB concealer, which is in the shade 02 Vanilla. Do not forget to apply a lot of good amount of concealer on your eyelids as well, because you are going to do a graphic liner and you want it to pop out like really perfectly. For contouring, I'm going to use my Nykaa stick, which I always use. And for the blush, I'm going to use a face forward blush stick with Mauve Marvel shade from Sugar. Now let's get into the real deal. First, we are going to do the eyebrows. For that, we need an eyebrow pencil or eyebrow pen. The one that I use is from Color Essence. I'm just going to fill in the gaps just to give like a edge. Moving on, I'm just going to take this Wet n Wild palette all right over here. I'm going to take this blending brush right over here, and I'm going to take this really brown transition color, or you can also go for a little bit of orangey color as well, but I want to go for like a very subtle base sort of a color. We just want to create like this crease area, only that we want to create, nothing else I'm going to do. And just ये inner portion को थोड़ा सा bright रखने के लिए I'm going to use this light color right over here. I'm just going to apply it right over here, like just look front straight and just brush it right over here. That's it. Just you want to create the crease, nothing else. And there you go, you're already done. It's quite a lot of color, like I don't want to make it a lot of dense. Just look in the front and just go with the brush like this. So the first step is going to be creating a wing liner, like a simple wing liner, like you can see this side. I'm going to create it over this side, and then we will move ahead with joining this point of the last point of the wing liner inwards into the eyes. And the trick over here is going to be just look straight in front, just don't look down or something like that, just look straight in front into the mirror and then draw your wing liner. This is how the wing liner is done, and now uske tip se I'm just going to place my little finger over here on the cheeks. Now from the tip of this one, I'm just going to randomly draw a line inside this one. Look, it's all about trial and error. If it goes wrong, then use micellar water and clean it up and do it again. It's not a big problem. That's it, there you go. Now you just have to join it properly. There you go, we are done with it. You need not worry कि दोनों साइड एकदम परफेक्ट एक जैसा होना चाहिए. You just need to create a similar line. अगर थोड़ा बहुत भी difference होता है then that's absolutely fine. Professional makeup artists cannot do like exactly same on both the eyes. It just looks similar and that's what you want. Now we are still not all with it. Now we are going to make this area a little bit more popping and shiny because I feel like बहुत dull लग रहा है. If you want to go for like a normal matte look तो इतना भी करने से हो जाएगा. Then I'm going to use this highlighter stick. And then I'm going to apply it एकदम inner corner में. And then just dab it in and the nose. I'm going to take the eyeliner and create the inner cat eye wala thing because that is what actually gives a very beautiful edge to it. And then we are going to use the eyelash color. The eyelash color makes a huge difference. Once you start using the eyelash color, you will not go back. So now let's just go on doing the lips, and I'm going to use this lip liner, and brown shade is the only shade that I use for lip liners all the time. So we're just going to create a very beautiful line. I'm going to use this NYX lingerie collection, which is going to be the shade 04 Truffle Trim, which is like a very light nude, and that's what we want. And even when I'm applying the lipstick, I don't apply it a lot, like I'm not going to give it a full coverage. Just slightly like this, and then just dab it like this. Lip gloss, which is this is called Pure Gloss from Swiss Beauty. I'm not very sure, like मेरे को बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है, and ये product अब मेरे को कभी भी दिखता ही नहीं है कहीं भी. So I don't know if I can actually link this or not. So that should be the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you want to see more such makeup videos or some specific eyeliner or some style or anything related to makeup, you can definitely comment that down below, or any other request you can comment that down below, and I will definitely consider that and make videos on that. And I will see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Tata, bye bye.